paper.
So all of the products in this little shop are made out of recycled elephant poop, which I think is pretty crazy. Like, it's awesome and gross all at the same time.
What does it smell like?
You smell it.
But they actually are really cool. Like, the notebooks and stuff are actually really cool. I kind of want to get one.
They're made out of elephant poop.
Be careful with these, okay?
I think I want to get one.
Alexa,
Okay.
they actually have a museum where you can go and watch them make the paper out of the elephant poop.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go right now.
They actually have a little museum about 5 minutes away where you can go and watch them make the paper out of the elephant poop, which sounds both interesting and disgusting, but I think the girls want to do it.
Do you want to go see how they make it? How they make the paper?
Yeah.
We decided that we're gonna go to the Elephant Poo Museum. That's where they make the elephant poo paper. So we're gonna go check it out and hopefully have some fun.
The driver's almost here.
So our driver says that we have to make a reservation. I didn't know that we had to make a reservation, so we've been chatting back and forth using Google Translate as he's driving here. And he's going to call ahead and make us a reservation. So we have made it to the elephant PooPooPaper Park. We got our tickets, which are made out of elephant poop. We all get these little stickers. And in about 20 minutes, we're gonna check out how they make the paper. So it should be interesting.
Dad, when I was in the poop factory.
When are we seeing the what?
Poop factory.
The poop factory.
I want to look at
Say that again.
elephant poop. I'm riding a bike full of poop. I'm trying to get cola.
They took us around to different stations to see exactly how the paper was made.
The only elephant Poo Poo over here. Alexa, you wanna hold it?
Oh, Poo Poo soup!
Wow, take a look.
Look at it!
Fiber like this. Like we can soaking Poo Poo boy to kill bacteria. I could have some
Wow.
Touch me. They will poop about 15 times a day.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Fix them. Yes, good job. Put them together in the machine over here. Like we do.
Whoa.
It's like slam.
Look.
Who want a purple? Who want a pink? And no fighting.
Yeah.
It's just like a snow fight, you know?
Yeah, no.
Like we have pink, white, and blue. You wanna? And you can share the other side. Wow, you can follow me.
Oh, good job.
Checking Poo Poo. Inside. Can hold it and we're gonna lift it up. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Yay! Yay!
Smell it? Does it smell good? Okay. That was such a cool experience. You get to see how the paper is made and to actually get to feel it with our hands and practice kind of how they make it. It's pretty cool.
They took us around to the different stations and showed us the process, starting with the raw poop and then melting it down into a soup and then cleaning it, and the girls got to mash it into these paper molds and actually make the raw paper, which is then put out to dry. And now we're in the final station where they're gonna make a little notebook with some elephant pictures on the front, and we're gonna take it home and use it as a photo album.
We're gonna make a photo album. We're picking out elephant and we're gonna put it on the front of the cover.
Okay, and then can you press them down just very gently?
Okay, hold on to the tail. Can I see it for a second? Very good.
We're making a notebook about elephant poop.
How cool.
Sit down.
We made this out of elephant poop.
So the girls just finished their handmade photo book. We're gonna turn it into, I think it's a journal, but we're gonna make it into a photo book from our time here.
I play with elephant poop. That was so much fun. We put our elephants in the book on the first page and write our names with the lines on it.
You eat it first.
No, you eat it first.
No, you eat it first.
You eat it first.
There's a crowd. All the peer pressure.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get it.
Hold on.